Hey everyone, and a very warm welcome back to the channel. So before we get into this series, we are going to talk about what I'm going to do. I am starting my wide body kit for my car, but not just a wide body kit. It is a complete new look to my Z4. At the end of this body kit or the remodel of my car, you will not be able to say that it was a Z4. Now, many of you might not like that so much, but this is the look that I want for my car and that I have envisioned for my car for quite a while. I enjoy my projects. I hope you guys enjoy my projects, and I would ask each and every one of you to please give this video a likes up. Share with me in the comments your thoughts on the processes I use within this video series, and also send it to your friends. Get my videos out there so that I can have more exposure and I can put out more content for you guys. Without further ado, here's my car, the processes and the fiberglassing. Enjoy. Today we're going to actually work a bit on the product, and I apologize for the tear in the roof already. That was actually my dogs got a hold of it, and yeah, they like to break stuff, so that was them, not me. And let's get into it. What we'll be doing now is just to take off the antenna, as this will be in the way while we work on this body kit. And for that you'll need a T25, I think this is called a Torx or spline, and at the bottom you'll feel there's actually like a block receiver, and in the very center of that receiver is where that little spline would sit, and you just release that, it'll release the entire component. Alright, so everyone uses now foam for this process. Try and get our shape or our base shape with cardboard box that we have soaked in water and broken into pieces, and that will give us like a pulpy substance to work with and to shape nice and easily. So the product you'll see me actually applying now is the outer and inner skin of the cardboard box, and the reason I didn't chop this up is because it does not soften as much as the inner material that actually suspend the two layers from one another. So I used it as a layering system to actually finish off the pulp to give me a smooth surface to lay the fiberglass on. it's actually the next day now. It's actually the third day of doing. We've got quite a decent shape going. So problems we're sitting with using this method, like I said, this is the first time I've ever considered doing something like this. Actually going to lay a layer of resin over this product to keep it in place and to stop stuff from constantly wanting to release off of my project. Alright everyone, so that brings this video to an end. I just want to thank each and every one for you to actually tune in onto my channel and watch my videos. If you are not subscribed, consider subscribing if this is the type of content you would like to see, and turn on that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time that I put out a new video. I'm going to try to put out as many as I can in as short amount of time as I can to keep you guys interested and to keep you tuned in. And then I'll see you guys in the next one, and please leave a comment below, tell me your thoughts upon this project and what you would like to see. Maybe if it sparks my interest, I can actually include that in my build. I'll see you till the next one, and keep drifting.